Hello everyone and welcome. Just a short video this time. I'm not gonna do any work. I've been here at the house working, but it's been a few tiny little things here and there, and just little stuff. It wasn't worth filming, but let me just show you the progress of myself, and mostly my wife's. Just a quick, very small update on the barbecue. I removed all the scaffolding and have gotten the level, but I haven't yet cut it. You might notice that these few bricks are a little higher than the rest, and there's a line actually. I'm gonna cut those so that the chimney will come flush with everything and it will be all on the same level. Now let's adjust the shutter speed because we're going outside. There we go, and it's a bit of a drizzle right now, but before it was just fine. And my wife and my father-in-law planted a lot of small bushes, fruits and stuff all around the edge, all the way over there, and some trees all throughout the property in our garden. It's coming along, but it's autumn and it was the time to do it so that they will be ready for spring. Another one over there. Well, what's that one? Almonds right over there, almonds. And that one is a plum tree, standing plum tree, whatever thingy. I'm not a big fan, though there is one other small update. Thanks to my father, we were able to find someone else to take over the window contract, and I have more windows. A future rant is coming about the previous guys who did windows and stuff, but look at this. In just 2 weeks, these guys were able to fully kit out my entire upstairs with everything all up to perfectly fine, and they're all installed in I don't have any more praise for them other than they did a bang up job. They were amazing, and I can't wait to work with them for the rest of this project. But yeah, just a short little update. We cleaned the yard a bit and we had a few more windows installed. Hopefully by the end of the year I will finally have a fully enclosed house. And with that, this is the conclusion of this week's video. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this small snippet, small content, please subscribe, share, you know the stuff on YouTube over there. All right, I'll see you in the next one.